Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. I'm Abhishek from Bennett University. I have completed my summer internship from Here Technologies. I have joined this internship on May 2020. As we all know, as we are affecting from current global pandemic COVID-19. During these unprecedented times, the companies has completely changed its working style and curriculum for jobs and internships as well. So, as this is my first internship, uh, this work from home is bit challenging and new experience for me. I would like to thank my mentor Mudrika Shetvipi in continuously guiding and helping me in achieving all my milestones. Talking about our company Here Technologies. Here Technologies is a mapping platform which provides services like mapping and location data and other related services for a company and for an individual. Whereas for individual, it's having a Here application where a normal person can access that app and use the navigation for his maps. So let's have a look at my presentation, the work I have done during the 2 months in Here Technologies. So yeah, Here Technologies. This I have worked in a team of 3 people. My team members are Vasant and Monisha, and my mentor Mudrika Shetvipi, who is working in that company as an employee. So yeah, about Here Technologies. Here is a global leader in mapping and location intelligent business. It is a cloud-based map service. There are many interesting things in Here Technologies, like exploring interesting places around us easily. And one more interesting thing is we can create our own maps using Here API and make places of note and new roads on its maps. Basically, we can make a note of our places like home and all. And yeah, these are the features available in it. Everyday mobility. It provides a breakthrough way to navigate, see and explore the world in from through mobile phone. And connected driving. It also shows the effective ways, like showing a less traffic way and all. And it also integrates here also integrated in few companies having automated car driving like BMW and many reputed companies. Enterprise transforming business through location intelligence. Here map contents. It it shows it untitles it's uniting the physical and virtual world in 2D and 3D model. Basically, it shows a 2D and 3D model of maps in Here API. Here platform. It's the world's most powerful and innovative platform service to enable new location and products and services. So these are the company services providing by company. And yeah, purpose. The purpose of map creator. It's basically a map creator is a tool through which the map the roads in a map are being marked. In our internship, we worked on this map creator. So the main purpose of this tool are we can update changes, places or anything, like we can update changes, places, buildings, address, anything. For this updating, everyone can easily understand and helpful for navigation purpose. Here Maps lets us download accurate high quality maps on your tablets or phones. It's a complete mapping app designed to work even without a data connection. This is the one more interesting feature available in here maps, so that we can use anytime we want. So let's get into the problem statement. Yeah, as I said, we have worked on here map creator. Basically in that tool, we have to mark 1000 kilometers, which is given by our mentor. It's a problem statement. In this internship we are supposed to mark the road. So, and while marking these 1000 kilometers, there are many restrictions, like many things to be followed before marking a road. Further we are going to discuss in upcoming slides. So yeah, so our proposed solution for marking 1000 kilometers of roads is, yeah, adding and modifying map features. After this end of this presentation, I am going to show the demo of my work. For as of now, I'm giving an explanation of what I have done, and adding and modifying features. Basically, this map creator is having is used for mapping a road. After mapping a road from point A to point B, there are few things to be noted. In the adding of map feature, the unmarked roads are being marked using a tool called add new road. So there's an add new road in a here map creator tool, through which if intern like me wants to map a road between point A to point B, you have to mark in a point twice using this add new road feature. And after marking a road between point A and B, he has to consider few things, like he should be restricted to mentioning the speed as 20 kmph to 30 kmph, and also he should not leave it in the random, like leaving the road just like that before marking correctly. And modifying part, in modifying phase, there are many issues, like while marking the roads, there may be problems, like we cannot mark it correctly. I mean, connecting one road with another road, we cannot connect one road with another road. This may be a problem. And as I said, we are supposed to mark speed from 20 kmph to 30 kmph. Sometimes we are unable to mark that speed because there are few default values in it. So we have to change to 20 to 30 in modifying the roads. These all comes under modifying the roads. So the next part is reviewing the changes. As we are a team of 3, we are assigned work of 3000 kilometers, 1000 kilometers per person, and our workings goes like this. For the first week, 2 of the members are supposed to mark the roads, and one has to review the roads. While reviewing the roads, there is a feature called your feed in which the roads that are marked by these other two teammates is visible in this feature, your feed. And by clicking on your feed, we will be getting the coordinates of each road that are being marked. So after getting the coordinates, we have to click on the road, and we have to check the following constraints, as I said before, whether the roads are connected and the speed and many other things. After satisfying all these constraints, we are supposed to accept the road. If any of these constraints are not followed, the road will get rejected. So we, as a team of 3, we divided our work every week. Like we used to swap this work every week. And so learning outcomes, these are my learning outcomes. Actually, this internship is a completely new exposure for a CSC student like me. We have learnt new softwares like GIS software and GPS, remote sensing GPS, and we got to know the tool about the HERE API exposure and HERE map creator. We also got hands-on experience on QGIS here using the HERE map creator. And yeah. So conclusion and challenges faced. HERE Technologies is a reputed MNC which mainly concentrates on a product value. So as a company, as an intern, we have to work effectively so that we have to work effectively and accurately so that the roads that are being marked should not get rejected, and these marked roads are further useful for company that are using these HERE maps like BMW and many other automobile companies. So we have worked effectively and completed our target. And challenges faced were in challenges faced, we have the one challenge we faced is it is difficult to find the roads because in a satellite view map there are many roads that are not actually roads. There are railways and all. So sometimes it's difficult to differentiate between roads, railways, and rivers. So that was the only challenges that we have faced during the editing process, and other than that everything was okay. And thank you.